Welcome to Coong Animals. Dive into the wild world of amazing creatures with us. In our previous video, we explored 8 misunderstood animals from sharks to crows. Each species had its own special and surprising story. But don't worry, today we continue with a new list of 8 animals that are also misunderstood, and they play vital roles in nature. If you're a nature lover and want to explore some interesting facts about the animal world, this video is for you. Let's dive in, and don't forget to stay until the end to discover some unexpected surprises. Let's start with the seemingly simple and familiar animal, the sparrow. When you think of sparrows, you probably imagine a small bird fluttering in the park or over the fields. However, what many don't know is that sparrows are actually guardians of our crops. While they might nibble on some seeds, sparrows mainly eat insects and pests, the enemies of crops. A flock of sparrows can eat millions of insects, preventing crop damage. This has been proven in several countries, where farmers increasingly appreciate them as a natural pest control instead of using pesticides. Yet, due to the misconception that sparrows eat seeds, they were once killed off in large numbers, causing an ecological crisis. Isn't that unfair? Next, we have a species that many might associate with wildness and danger, the wolf. You've probably seen movies or heard creepy stories about them, but did you know that wolves are actually silent heroes of nature? Take the case of Yellowstone National Park in the US. When wolves were nearly hunted to extinction, the ecosystem there became severely unbalanced. Deer populations grew uncontrollably, trees were destroyed, and many smaller animals lost their habitats. However, when wolves were reintroduced to the park, the ecosystem recovered. Wolves helped control deer populations, restore vegetation, and create a favorable environment for many other species. They even helped stabilize riverbanks. Quite an incredible misunderstood species, right? When we think of frogs, many picture a cute and harmless creature. But when it comes to the dart poison frog, that's not the case. These small frogs have one of the deadliest toxins in the animal kingdom, capable of paralyzing or even killing predators with just a bit of skin contact. Strangely enough, despite their deadly abilities, dart frogs pose no threat to humans, as they only produce toxins after consuming certain types of insects in their natural habitat. This is a fascinating example of how animals evolve to adapt and protect themselves from predators. The dart frog is thus both a mysterious and intriguing creature that few fully understand. The octopus, a miraculous creature beneath the sea, with incredible camouflage abilities and remarkable intelligence. However, many misunderstand it as a mere predator. The truth is quite the opposite. Octopuses are not only great hunters, but also possess impressive problem-solving skills. Studies have shown that octopuses can use tools to find food. They can even open tightly locked boxes, a talent that few animals have. Moreover, octopuses can perfectly blend into their environment by changing their skin color and texture, helping them hide from predators. With these features, octopuses truly deserve to be regarded as one of the most intelligent and mysterious creatures of the ocean. Next is a small but extremely helpful creature, the shrew. With its quick movements and distinct hunting behavior, it is often misunderstood as a harmful animal. However, the shrew is not a mouse, as many might think. Shrews are nature's insect doctors, primarily eating insects, worms, and other harmful creatures. This helps maintain a balanced ecosystem and reduces the impact of animals that could damage plants and crops. Shrews move swiftly and skillfully hunt for food. Despite working tirelessly to protect the environment, they are often misunderstood as pests and hunted. In reality, shrews play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our ecosystem. Don't let the slow and gentle appearance of the manatee fool you. These animals actually play an incredibly important role in marine ecosystems. Manatees primarily live in shallow waters where they graze on seagrass, a vital underwater plant that contributes to the health of marine environments. Their grazing not only helps maintain the growth of seagrass, but also prevents it from being overrun by other aquatic plants. They are also an important part of the food chain, providing energy for many other marine species. Protecting manatees isn't just about saving this species, but about preserving the entire marine ecosystem. The pangolin, an armored creature with tough scales, but also one of the most misunderstood animals in the world. With its seemingly invulnerable armor, pangolins are often seen as harmless, but in reality, they play a very crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. Pangolins feed on ants and termites, helping control the population of these insects in the soil, thereby keeping the ecosystem stable. However, the demand for pangolin scales in traditional medicine and illegal poaching have caused their numbers to drastically decline, placing them on the brink of extinction. To protect the ecosystem and animals like pangolins, we must act now, because losing them could lead to severe consequences for nature. Certainly, when we think of vultures, many people picture a nasty, scary creature that feeds on carcasses. However, we may have misunderstood their true role in nature. Vultures are actually invaluable cleanup crews in the ecosystem. They feed on dead animals, helping to clean the environment and prevent the spread of dangerous diseases that could harm both animals and humans. Without vultures, dead animals would remain longer, creating a breeding ground for bacteria and pathogens. Sadly, due to the misconception about their appearance, vultures are being illegally hunted and face the threat of extinction. That's why we need to protect these natural cleaners to maintain ecological balance. The animals we've explored today all play incredibly important roles in maintaining the natural balance, but we often misunderstand or fear them due to a lack of information. That's why understanding and protecting these creatures is our responsibility. Protecting them is also protecting the environment we live in. If you found this video interesting and the stories about these special animals make you see the natural world differently, don't forget to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about these animals? Have you ever misunderstood them like this before? And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to never miss any amazing animal and nature stories from Animalcoong. Let's act together to protect nature and the animals, because they are an essential part of our lives. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.